In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So to enter a secret code, you need to pick phone dialer, and this is the particular place where we can enter the codes. So let's start with the first one. Just press asterisk pound 558 and pound at the end. And here we've got the factory test. Just click I have read the engineering mode and privacy terms conditions. Tap on I agree, and here you've got it. So if you'd like to debug your port, disable something, perform a QC test, or enter the settings, just provide this code, and here you can perform any action that you are interested in. So this is how it works. Then you can smoothly go back by using back button. So that would be the first code that you can use here. Another one is asterisk pound 07 pound. And here you've got the maximum SAR level. Here it is. Tap on OK to close it. So that was a quick one. Another quick code is asterisk pound 06 pound. And this one will provide you with device information. So here you can check serial, email numbers, and just provide it to check the unique numbers assigned to your device. Click on OK to close it. Another short code is asterisk pound 09 pound, and here you've got also device info, so you can also scan those QR codes or smoothly read email numbers, barcode, and so on. Let me go back, and another code that you can use here is asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk, and this is the version test. So here you can check network access name, software build number, app version, and so on. Just scroll down to check all the features, all the options. Let me go back. Another code that you can use here is asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk. And this is the Fcm Diagnostic Mode, where you can check events and also status. If you would like to explore this device more, if you would like to get some more info, just tap on more and select advanced view. And as you can see here, you've got way more details. So let me go back. And the last code that I would like to share with you today is asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk. And here we've got the testing mode, where you can check phone info, usage statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. So let's start with phone information. So here you can find email number, phone number if your SIM card is included and working properly, current network, signal strength, data service, and also a bit lower you can perform a ping test. Just click on run ping test, and here it is. Here you've got the results. So let me go back. Then you can enter usage statistics, and here you can check all apps and the time spent on them. Also the last time usage. So here we've got, for example, quick step been in use like 3 minutes ago, as we've got 4:17, and it was in use at 4:14. So this is how you can check it. Let me go back. And under Wi-Fi details, you can click Wi-Fi information, where you've got Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. Under Wi-Fi APA, you've got disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configure networks, and the whole connection info. Under Wi-Fi configuration, you will be able to find all currently configured networks. And then under Wi-Fi status, just let me refresh it. You can check the status of your network, and then also it allows you to run a ping test right here. And this is it. So actually that would be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.